Yes, good morning students. So in the first part of that video, I explained you the practical portion of this chapter. Okay, I explained you the whole practical portion. Okay, now just have a look at the glance point and just quickly revise all the topics of this chapter fast. Okay, so here we have the summary of the chapter, point at a glance. So first point, TuxPaint is a wonderful drawing program for young children. Okay, TuxPaint has a large variety of tools that the children can use to bring out their creativity. I have shown you. Okay, we have so many tools and we have sub toolbox also. With each tool there are many tools associated which we can use for making our creativity alive. Okay, third point is the paint tool is used to create free drawing as well as to draw various types of patterns. Okay, so we can use various ready-made patterns also, as I show using using paint tool and using line tool. I show you the use of patterns also, है ना. Okay, so and each tool in TuxPaint has many options in sub toolbox as paint, lines and magic tool. These and all other tools have many sub tools also. Like in paint we have many brushes, many types of brushes. In magic tool we have many kinds of sub tools like grass or like bricks, many are there. And next point is magic tool is used to give amazing effects to the picture. We all have seen practically. Fill color is used to fill color in an object. Okay, as you draw any picture, so for filling color in that picture we use the fill color tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns, as I show you today, that using lines tool we can make straight line or straight line of patterns, because using paint option we draw freehand, so we can't draw a very straight line, but using line tools we can draw a straight line of patterns and normal straight line we can draw. And the stamp tool is used to add ready-made stamp in your drawing. As in our TuxPaint we have the stamp of many poses of penguin, so we can use the penguin stamps in our drawing. And if you want to download more stamps from internet, so you can go to the site of TuxPaint and you can download from there. Next, the save tool is used for saving the drawing. By clicking on the save tool we can save our drawing, and we do not need to give file name. It's saved in the form of a thumbnail. Okay, the last point is TuxPaint saves a file as a thumbnail rather than a file name. So we do not need to write any file name. Automatically it saves our drawing as a thumbnail. Okay, so now let's come to the exercise part of this chapter. First is the fill in the blanks part. TuxPaint has a drawing board that helps us to know about TuxPaint. So it has a drawing mascot. So the first option is drawing mascot. Second is the most commonly used freehand drawing tool is, I hope you all knows about it very well, because right now I explain it again and again. So which tool it is? Okay, so you will guess and write it. Okay, we can create mirror image of a stamp using the button. So mirror image is created by clicking on the mirror button. Okay, while explaining you about stamp, I show you the use of mirror image also, if you remember. Okay, now next, fourth is tool is used to fill color in an object. So I think you all can guess it. Yes, it is fill color option. TuxPaint saves every file in the form of a, here the last, TuxPaint saves a file as a thumbnail. So the last fill in the blank part is thumbnail. Okay, now come to the true and false part. The grass tool is used to create a flower on a canvas. No, it is false, because it is used for drawing grass on a canvas. Next is the drawing mascot in TuxPaint is a naughty duck. जो ड्राइंग मैस्कॉट जो पिक्चर आप देखते हैं TuxPaint में, दैट पिक्चर इज़ ऑफ अ डक. नो, इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ पेंगुइन, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो फॉल्स. थर्ड इज क्लिकिंग ऑन ओपन बटन. क्लिकिंग ऑन ओपन विल इरेज योर करेंट फाइल. तो ओपन बटन पे क्लिक करने से फाइल इरेज होता है? नो, वी कैन ओपन आवर फाइल्स, है ना. सो दिस वन इज़ ऑल्सो फॉल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट लास्ट टू you will search and you will try it yourself and you will attempt it. Okay, so complete this part of exercise. Next part we will do in the next class. Okay, so take care of yourselves. Bye.